A group set or gruppo is a bicycle component manufacturer's organized collection of mechanical parts. It generally refers to all of the components that make up a bicycle excluding the bicycle frame, fork, stem, wheels, tires, and rider contact points, such as the saddle and handlebars. These parts typically include the following: 2 gear levers or shifters and 2 brake levers or 2 integrated brake levers shifters, 2 brakes, front and rear, 2 derailleurs, front and rear, 1 bottom bracket, 1 crankset, 1 chain, 1 cokeset, freewheel or cassette, with the following forming part of some group sets: 1 headset, 1 seat post, 2 hubs, front and rear, pair of pedals, assorted cables and cable housing. Except for special commemorative versions, manufacturers do not actually package the various components together to be sold by retailers as a complete group set. Therefore, when a modern road group set is bought aftermarket, the customer can choose which parts they require. The price of the group set is just the individual prices of the chosen parts added together. The major group set manufacturers are Campagnolo for road bicycles and Shimano and SRAM for both road and mountain bikes. Manufacturers typically offer a range of several group sets, each targeted at a different budget or use. For instance, Dura Ace, Super Record and Red are the top-of-the-line road racing group sets for Shimano, Campagnolo and SRAM respectively, while Claris, Veloce and Apex are their entry-level road racing group sets, respectively. List of group sets. Below is a list of the 3 largest manufacturers' group sets for road and MTB applications. Each manufacturer's offering is arranged in descending price quality. The number of sprockets of the cassette in each group set is shown in brackets. The total number of gears is determined by this number multiplied by the number of chainrings. For example, a bike that has a double chainring and a 10-speed cassette has 20 gears, although some of them overlap. Please see the article on bicycle gearing for more information. Road group sets for 2013, Shimano road bicycle group sets include Dura Ace D2, 9070, Dura Ace, 9000, Dura Ace Track, 7710, Ultegra D2, 6870, Ultegra D2, 6770, Ultegra, 6800, Ultegra, 6700, 105, 5800, 105, 5700, Tigra, 4700, Tigra, 4600, Sora, 3500, Claris, 2400, Campagnolo, Super Record EPS, Athena EPS, Super Record, Chorus, Athena, Centaur, Veloce, older Campagnolo group sets that were discontinued from 2009. Other lower-end, Mirage, Xenon. Campagnolo also offers 3 triple chainring offerings for steep hill climbing: Comp Triple, Race Triple, Champ Triple. SRAM, 2010. In 2006, SRAM released 2 group sets for racing bicycles, aimed at competing with Shimano and Campagnolo's offerings. SRAM currently has 7 road bike group sets that all use the SRAM double-tap shifting technology: SRAM Red 22, SRAM Red 2012, SRAM Black Red, SRAM Force 22, SRAM Force, SRAM Rival, SRAM Apex. MTB General Shimano, 2011, XTR, Saint, Dior XT, SLX, Z, Hone, Dior LX, Dior, Olivio, Acera, Altus, Tourney, SRAM 21, X01, 20, XO, X9, X7, X5, X4, X3. SRAM also offer parts under several different marks as they've slowly bought out several smaller, specialist bike part manufacturers. These include brake systems, Avid, cranksets, Trivative, mountain bike suspension, rock shocks. SRAM are phasing out 3-ring front chainrings in their MTB range for a 2 front chainring and single chainring, 10 or 11 sprocket rear cassette setup, commonly found on road bikes. Specialist there are some group sets which are designed for a specific purpose. Some are just partial group sets which are intended to be used with other group sets. Shimano Dura-Ace D27970 electronic shifters and derailleurs intended to be used with regular Dura-Ace 7900 parts. Shimano Dura-Ace track bikes, Campagnolo pista track bikes, Campagnolo time trial components with bar end controls, chainrings with oversized toothing and super light brake levers in composite material. Shimano Hone Enduro and Freeride applications, Shimano Saint downhill and heavy-duty applications, Shimano Caprio including a cassette incorporating a 9-tooth sprocket for small-wheeled bicycles. The Shimano Nexus began as an internal hub only and has slowly grown into its own group set including a higher-end internal hub, chain, shifters, cranks, brakes and calipers. Shimano Alpine internal hub gearing, hydraulic disc brakes or mechanical calipers, Shimano Nexus internal hub gearing, drum brakes or calipers. See also, List of bicycle parts, category, bicycle parts, chipset, a similar concept in the semiconductor industry. References. External links, Campagnolo, Sheldon Brown's Bicycle Glossary, Groupset, Shimano and Shimano, SRAM.